Welcome to Unyk. Unyk is a new kind of software to prepare and optimize any 3D object for 3D printing, bringing all necessary tools in one simple place and integrating with the file formats you already use. What's different about Unyk is that it guides you throughout all the preparation process with the Workflow Plan feature. Once an object has been imported, you can select your next step or follow the suggested workflow to change the range of available options in the menu. Layout is where the fun begins. You can move, rotate, and rescale your parts. Place them anywhere you want, simply by clicking on one of the options around the object or by using one of the menu options in the bottom. Too many objects to move? Let's select the Arrange option and everything will be ready in just a few seconds. Nice, exactly what I wanted. Oh, by the way, if you have any damaged models, Unyk can identify what and when it's necessary to repair them. A new step will be available in the workflow to repair all damaged objects. Also, a new option will show up in the object list to repair that part specifically. Ah, see? There it is! Even if you want to modify your original design, Unyk has a flexible set of editing tools for that. You can make it hollow, wrap it, merge two or more objects, create holes, make Boolean operations, reduce triangles, make it smoother, cut it in several ways, and add a text anywhere you want. Best of all, Unyk can create supports for any kind of object you need. Let me get right to this. You just simply click on automatic support, like that. But it's not just about automatic though. You can also choose different types of supports for each area. Modify any little thing you want, and even create it manually. It can't get better than this. Now, about the file formats I mentioned earlier, well, with Unyk, you can import and save your objects in various formats like STL, OBJ, PLY, SLC, 3DS. And since our project is ready, we can either print directly with the Neomo 3D printer, or save it to print in another printer, or even export the sliced images. More productive, more versatile, more efficient, and no more failed job. That's Unyk, giving you complete control over the final results, step by step.